Hey, hey! For the latest puzzle solutions, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver. Welcome friends, welcome to our channel Puzzle Solver. Today we get you an interesting puzzle and the name of the puzzle is the Fruits Puzzle. As you can see in this puzzle, there are various type of fruits. For example, banana, pineapple, cherries and oranges. We have to find out the value of every item present in the puzzle and then put those values in the final equation to find the answer of this puzzle. So guys, let's start. But before jumping to the final solution of this puzzle, let's start a timer and pause this puzzle for 30 seconds and solve this puzzle together. And friends, don't forget to put your answer in the comment section. Our time starts now. Three, two, one, stop! Hope you all enjoyed solving this puzzle and got the right answer. Let's jump to the solution and solve the first equation. In the first equation, you can see there are 3 pair of bananas and their total value is equal to 60. When you solve this puzzle, this equation, for the bananas, you will get the final value of the bananas equal to 20. Here, if 2 bananas equal to 20, then 1 banana will be equal to 10. Moving on to the second equation, here you can see 1 pair of bananas and 2 pineapple with 2 pair of cherries and their total value is equal to 40. We know the value of 2 bananas, that is equal to 20, and here you write these 2 pineapples and 2 cherries as 2 into pineapple into 2 cherries and their total value is equal to 40. We move this 20 to the right side, so 40 minus 20 is equal to 20 and the final value for the pineapple with 2 cherries will be equal to 20 divided by 2, that will be equal to 10. Moving on to the third equation, here you can see a pineapple with 2 cherries and here are 4 oranges and their total value is equal to 26. We know the value of pineapple and 2 cherries, that is equal to 10, and we put here 4 oranges in the terms of 2 into 2 oranges, that is equal to 26. Now solving the value for 2 oranges, we'll move this 10 to the right side, so 26 minus 10 is equal to 16 and we'll find out the value of 2 oranges equal to 8. If 2 oranges values is equal to 8, then 1 orange is equal to 4. Now jumping on to our fourth equation. Here in this equation you can see pineapple and 2 cherries, 2 oranges and a pair of cherries and their total value is equal to 14. We know this value, that is equal to 10. We know this value, that is equal to 8. Now it's easy to solve this equation for 2 cherries. We'll move this to right side, it will become positive, and we'll move this 14 to the left side, so it will become negative. So 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 minus 14 will equal to 4. Now if 2 cherries equal to 4, so 1 cherry will be equal to 2. So friends, we have every fruit value with us, that is banana equal to 10, pineapple with 2 cherries equal to 10, orange equal to 4 and 2 cherries equal to 4. Now moving on to our final equation, we'll keep every fruit value in the equation and find out the answer. Here you can see 2 bananas with 1 cherry their addition is with single pineapple and their multiplication is with 1.5 oranges. So keeping the value of bananas, there are 3 bananas present here. As you can see, this is the minute details we have to consider. So 3 bananas value equal to 30, 1 cherry is equal to 2, 1 pineapple will be pineapple plus cherries minus 2 cherries, that will be 10 minus 4, and multiplication with orange and half orange. Solving these brackets first according to the BODMAS rule. So 30 plus 2 will be 32, 10 minus 4 will be 6, its multiplication with this bracket. So solving this bracket is 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now according to the BODMAS rule, we have to first solve this multiplication sign. It will give 6 into 6 as 36. Now adding these two values will give 68 as the answer. And this puzzle is also solved. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and comment on this video. Also don't forget to subscribe and please share this video with your friends and family members. Also you can follow us on Instagram, that is Puzzle Solver Video. Thanks again. Bye bye.